The next day I remember texting him, nikamwambia, when was it? Let me see. Nikamwambia, I'm not comfortable with this break, like hainipei peace at all, yeah? So nikamshow like we need to talk. Yeah. So I remember like nikimtext, he sent me a long text, a long message akiniambia oh, it was like a breakup text, yeah, but si ati alikuwa amesema in specific. So I remember nilishinda nimemcall, nikamcall. During that same time he was doing an interview with there's this lady who was explaining about the abortion of losing the kids that she had. Like ukienda watch your video uta notice like phone ya Pluto inalia sana. So I was the one calling him all the time. So after that, after alimaliza the interview ndo he called me back, nikamshow na kuja tuongee. Yeah, because at that point I was like, when you are breaking up with me, yani I couldn't believe it. So okay, nilikuwa naangalia dates. I'm just checking on our text, just to be sure. If it were possible, guys, ningeona hizi text, but that would be, hiyo itakuwa poa. So So that was on 15th September. So the thing I want you guys to get is that we didn't break up that day nilipost hiyo kitu kwa status. Pluto alikuwa break up na mimi way before. Like, I don't know how many days ago. It was like 6 days before that. I mean after me posting the thing on my IG stories.